Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get the MAC address of a network card on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to go ahead and just type in GET minus sign net adapter. Exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, get minus sign net adapter, no spaces, hit enter. And here you go, guys. At this point, it'll give you the MAC address right in this column. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.